Two companies. One is Quadro Engineering, the other being Fitzpatrick Company. We are both part of the IDEX Material Processing Technologies group. And what we do is primarily milling technologies, whether it be size reduction by conical milling or by comminuting, a more common name would be the Fitz mill, or roll compaction. And all these are the technologies that we've been selling for decades into the pharma industry, and technologies that are our core business. Some of the things that we think it adds a value to our customers is the fact that our equipment does have very good reliability, quality, and we have decades of experience in-house to provide process help or answering process questions that customers have. At the end of the day, we're always trying to help a customer solve a problem. The equipment is just a means to do that. What we call the H20, a high energy co-mill that is designed towards primarily API milling, but also for oral solid dosage that needs to go a little bit finer. So those are the two primary pieces of equipment that we'll be showing. And we have developed a machine that, yes, it does meet the containment requirements, but also has a lot of features that we've heard from customers are important to them. For example, when it comes to the roll compaction, we have independent screw feeding systems that actually eliminates the need for vacuum deaeration. We also have minimized ungranulated product bypass. So these are usually big pain points for our customers. We also have a real-time roll gap feedback control, which again helps to densify the product, gives us more uniform ribbons or slugs. And then when those get granulated, it actually provides a better end product, so you have less sifting to do, and you have a more flowable product so that you can then feed downstream processes. So that, again, that separates us from a lot of the technologies out there. The other technology that we're introducing, the H20, that actually is going after the API market where traditionally it's difficult to achieve very narrow or tight particle size distributions. And with the conical mill technology, it's in the past not been possible to get to the target or the particle size distributions that APIs require. So the H20 is actually using conical milling technology to get D50s in the 60 to 150 micron range. Again, it's significantly lower than any other conical mill technology can do. But furthermore, what we've done with our redesign is we're actually able to provide a narrower particle size distribution, so we have less product on the coarse or fine side, so more product on target, and we're able to actually shift the particle size distribution target. So traditional technologies sometimes have a difficulty to move that PSD target. With the H20, we've been able to do that. And one of the reasons why we are so keen on these student technologies is when we looked at what customers were asking for us, and we did independent surveys from a wide range of regions of customers, and the second continuum was the number one, and then the number 2 and 3 were narrower distributions and finer particles, lower heat, and so on. So these technologies are hitting every one of those points, so we're very, very happy and excited about them.